Hello everyone, T5 the Traveler here with Becky the Trekkie, and we are at SeaWorld 2024, and we're going up the hill to the Dolphins Adventures Show. It's at the Dolphins Outdoor Stadium. They recommend you get here about 45 minutes in advance. I think we're about a half hour ahead of showtime, so we'll see what kind of seat we can find. Hopefully it's in the shade. We have a beautiful sunny day today, but it was like 102. It's one of those record days in late May. But without any further ado, this is the Dolphin Theater. We'll see the Dolphin Show, and we'll bring you along with us. It should be a good one. All right.
Now here at Dolphin Stadium, we have 15 male Bottlenose Dolphins, and we have them in 3 different social groups with 16 pools that we can bring them in and out. Now I can't think of a better way than by introducing you to Hutch and Marvel. Hutch and Marvel are both Bottlenose Dolphins, which are just one of several different species of whales and dolphins, also known as cetaceans, that you can find along Florida's coast. All of the dolphins you'll be meeting today were born within our SeaWorld parks, and they range in ages from 14 all the way to 46 years old. After today's presentation, make sure you stop by right next door at Dolphin Cove. That way you guys can get a much closer look at underwater viewing and learn a lot more about this incredible marine mammal. Now that we've met some of our fun, let's dive right in and talk about what makes dolphins so cool. Nature has provided them with some amazing adaptations that allow them to navigate, forage, and even play through the water. One of those adaptations is the blowhole that's located right here on top of their head. That is where they breathe air from, of course, but it's also how they communicate with each other and make a wide variety of vocalizations. So let's listen in. Now, dolphins have to hold their breath while foraging for their prey, and their prey largely consists of fish, squid, and the occasional crustacean. Now, in order to catch that fast-moving and slippery prey, dolphins like Brig and Scott pump their powerful tails up and down, reaching speeds of up to 22 miles per hour. Now, they also use that same powerful tail to get a better look above the surface and get up and out of the water. Engaging our dolphins both physically and mentally allows us to give them the best care possible, and it provides exceptional animal welfare. Now, through this care, we develop bonds and build relationships with them, much like you would with a dog at home. Although dolphins seem like natural athletes, it's our mutual love of play that provides that connection between us. And over the past 60 plus years, Seaworld has learned that their play ultimately leads to our discoveries. So while our playtime today might just look like a lot of impressive jumps and spins, it's actually an essential part in how we care for them. Just watch. And those childhood impressions can often last a lifetime. That's why today we hope to inspire a young SeaWorld guest in much the same way myself and the other trainers were inspired on our first visits to SeaWorld. So with that, I've got Danielle that's going to feed him, and then he's going to come up over here. So we're going to take a couple more steps, maybe like one or two more. There we go, there's good. Now, we have to give him a good dolphin style hello. So why don't you put both arms out in front of you and give him a nice big wave. Ready? Oh yeah, we can do that. We can start dancing with him. Here, yeah. 2, 3, swoop. Oh yeah, check it out. Anaya, he saw you, and this is just for you. Oh my goodness, that was sky high. Did you see that? Can you do that again? I don't think you can jump that high. Yeah, so he already knows whether you're here with the wrong hand, but he just wants to get fed this time. So take this in, take that fish, toss it. You know what kind of fish these are, Anaya? No? Sardines, good guess. These are actually dead fish. These, yeah, you remember how to get rid of them? Yes. Show me how I have them. Start slow this time. Rub them faster, faster, faster. But, hey, guys, Anaya's taking over the show, and she's asking all I got the winners. So let's give it up to her. Anaya just had a whole lot of fun up here on her adventure. But what about you guys? Are you all ready for some more fun? Well, that's great because we have a whole other group of dolphins that are waiting for you all to discover. But sometimes discoveries will lead to risks. Dolphins are innately curious, and out in the ocean, this can lead them to exploring polluted areas or even playing with trash. So what can we all do to help? Small actions can have huge impacts like recycling, joining a local beach or park cleanup, making sure that you're properly discarding the fishing line and plastic bottles, better yet, choosing reusable items to help reduce the amount of waste that we all produce. It's small, simple, easy things like this that can go a long way in helping protect our ocean life. Myself and the others are just a few of over 350 zoological professionals right here on the Seaworld team. Collectively, not only do we provide world-class care for these dolphins, but we've also facilitated in the rescues of over 41,000 animals with the goal of rehabilitating and returning them to their natural environments. And none of this could be done without all of you. Your visit today matters, and without all of your support, we would not be able to do such good work and help wildlife that needs help. So, on behalf of our entire animal care team here, we say thank you. When we care for our world and take action on behalf of the animals that call it home, that's the legacy that we leave behind. And that legacy is one word: celebrating. discovered today. Enjoy the rest of your adventure right here at SeaWorld. Goodbye, everyone.
Dolphin Adventure. I got a little bit splashed on, but not near the Orca show. We got quite a bit on that one, so that one will be out there as well. Really had a great show. I liked it when all 5 of them were jumping up at once. That really stood out. I think that was one of the highlights. This middle section over here, if you don't want to get soaked, don't sit in that dead middle over there, because that one dolphin just splash. So that one guy got pretty wet. He tried to get up and get away, but it was too late. But yeah, I thought it was a great show. The trainers did a great job with them. I didn't see any mistakes. The Dolphins were participating right along, so this is definitely one of the better shows. I think they're very well taken care of here. They seem very happy, look healthy, and yeah, it's a great show for awareness and all of that. So thanks for joining us for this one. We'll have all the animal shows that we can cover available for you out on the channel at some point. And leave us a like if you've been to the Dolphin show. Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you all very soon on the next one. Bye, everybody.